Hey everyone, welcome back to your Study Hub, your go-to place for all things personal development, productivity, and career growth. And today's video is something that can literally change your career trajectory. We're talking about how you can use AI, yes, artificial intelligence, to enhance your career in practical, achievable ways. And no, you don't have to be a techie or coder to benefit from it. We'll go step by step, from learning how to use AI to level up your skills, to getting smarter at job searching, creating better resumes, automating repetitive tasks, building a personal brand, and so much more. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss content that helps you grow smarter and faster. Section 1. Understanding AI in simple terms. Let's begin with a basic understanding. AI isn't just robots or sci-fi stuff. It's the technology that powers tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, LinkedIn job alerts, Google Maps, and even your YouTube recommendations. Think of AI as your digital assistant. It observes patterns, predicts your needs, and helps you make better decisions faster. And when it comes to your career, this means less guesswork and more clarity. Section 2. Upskilling with AI. The job market is changing rapidly, and those who keep learning will always stay ahead. Thankfully, AI can make learning easier and more personal. Tools like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning recommend courses based on your interests and industry trends. Duolingo or Elsa Speak. Use AI to improve your language skills with smart feedback. YouTube ChatGPT combo. Watch tutorials and use ChatGPT to ask follow-up questions instantly. It's like having a tutor 24/7. The beauty of AI learning platforms is that they adapt to your pace. You don't have to fit into a classroom anymore. The classroom fits you. What's a new skill you've been meaning to learn? Drop it in the comments. Let's grow together. Crafting an AI-optimized resume. Your resume is often your first impression. And guess what? It's usually reviewed by AI before a human even sees it. Use JobScan or Resi to match your resume with job descriptions. Grammarly helps with grammar and tone. ChatGPT or Resume.io can even help you rewrite or format your resume quickly. Tip: always use keywords from the job posting. ATS, applicant tracking systems, look for matches. And once you're ready, tools like TLHQ help manage multiple versions of your resume and track job applications. Want a full resume optimization video? Let me know in the comments. Section 4. Smarter job hunting with AI. Gone are the days of aimless job scrolling. AI now helps you find the right opportunities. LinkedIn job alerts powered by AI suggest openings based on your profile and skills. Google Job Search is smarter than ever. Filter jobs by location, pay, and title. Glassdoor and Levels.fyi use AI to analyze salaries and company cultures. These tools not only save time, but also reduce the stress of the job hunt. Section 5. Building your personal brand using AI. Having a strong online presence can attract opportunities even when you're not actively job hunting. And yes, AI helps here too. Use ChatGPT to write your LinkedIn About Me section. Tools like Canva and Copy.aa can help you create engaging posts and content. Pictory or InVideo can convert blog posts or scripts into short professional videos. Real-world tip: consistency is key. Post once a week about your journey, your learnings, or industry news. Let the algorithms work for you. Section 6. Automating repetitive career tasks. Do you spend too much time on emails, scheduling, or reports? AI can automate a lot of that. Zapier connects apps and automates workflows, like saving email attachments to Google Drive or adding calendar events automatically. Notion summarizes meeting notes. ChatGPT drafts polite emails, reports, and memos. Free up your time for creative and strategic tasks and let AI handle the routine stuff. Section 7. Making smarter career decisions with AI. Feeling stuck or unsure about your next step? AI can help you see the bigger picture. Tools like Pymetrics or Career Explorer use data and psychology to help guide your career path. Google Trends and LinkedIn Insights reveal job market demand for your skills. Have you tried any AI career tools yet? Comment below which ones you love or want to explore. Section 8. Future-proofing your career. Let's talk about the future. It's not just about learning AI, it's about learning with AI. Stay updated through AI newsletters like TLDR, the Rundown AI, or Future Tools. Build a portfolio that shows you can adapt, maybe even learn prompt engineering or how to use AI in your field. The more adaptable you are, the more valuable you become. That's your edge. Final thoughts, practical tips recap. To quickly summarize, 1. Learn constantly with AI learning tools. 2. Use AI to craft better resumes and cover letters. 3. Let AI guide you to better job matches. 4. Automate boring tasks and free up your brain. 5. Build your personal brand with the help of AI. 6. Think long-term. Use AI insights to grow smarter. Encourage engagement again. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who's job hunting or feeling stuck in their career, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. This helps me a lot and tells me to make more videos just like this. That's it for today, my friends. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you. Use it wisely, stay curious, and build a future you're proud of. Tell me in the comments, what was your biggest takeaway today? And which AI tool are you going to explore next? Thanks for watching your Study Hub. Signing off. See you in the next one.